If you're starting a marketing business on your own, does this sound familiar? You feel overwhelmed by a never-ending to-do list, confused about what to focus on next, and completely stuck, watching others succeed while you just spin your wheels. If that hits home, this video might be the most important thing you watch all year. It's designed to save you months, even years, of frustration by giving you the one thing you're probably missing. See, most beginners, and I was one of them, make the same critical mistake. We jump straight into the busy work, the tactics. We start posting content on every platform because someone said we should. We spend weeks learning complicated tools, hoping they hold the secret. We copy what successful creators are doing, thinking their formula will work for us. It feels productive, but it's just motion without direction. But what we're missing is the foundation. The one thing that makes all those tactics actually work together. A clear business strategy. Today, I'm going to show you exactly why strategy is the most essential tool for a solopreneur. We'll break down how it provides the clarity, focus, and sustainable progress you need to build a marketing business that doesn't just survive, but thrives. So let's demystify this and simplify it right now. First off, business strategy isn't complicated. It's not some 100-page business plan filled with corporate jargon that you write once and never look at again. That's for a different world. For us, the solopreneurs, business strategy is your personal roadmap. It's a living, breathing guide that answers 4 simple but powerful questions. 1. Knowing exactly who you help. 2. Knowing what specific painful problem you solve for them. 3. Knowing how you make money by providing that solution. And 4. Knowing what single thing to focus on right now to make progress. That's it. Without strategy, you're constantly in reactive mode, chasing trends and putting out fires. With strategy, you build with intention, making deliberate choices that align with your goals. This clarity is your superpower. It ensures that every piece of content you create, every tool you adopt, and every hour you work actually moves you forward. It's the fundamental difference between guessing your way forward and growing with purpose. So, remember these 4 pillars. Know your person. Know their problem. Know your offer. And most importantly, know your next step and have the confidence to ignore everything else. This is the path out of the overwhelm. Now let's talk about why most beginners struggle without this strategic foundation and the common pitfalls you can easily avoid. So you've decided to start your own business. You're full of ambition and ready to work hard, but without a clear strategy, that energy can quickly turn into chaos. Here's what happens when you don't have a roadmap. First, you fall into the trap of trying too many things at once. You're on every social media platform. You're creating blog posts, starting a podcast, and maybe even thinking about a YouTube channel, all at the same time. This is classic shiny object syndrome, and it divides your focus until nothing gets the attention it deserves. Without your own plan, you start to copy what others are doing. You see a competitor's viral video and try to replicate it, but it falls flat because it's not authentic to you or your audience. As a result, you feel incredibly busy but see no real progress. Your days are packed, but your client list isn't growing and your revenue is stagnant. It's like running on a hamster wheel, and eventually, your motivation drops. Burnout sets in because all your effort feels wasted. This is the point where many promising entrepreneurs give up. But a good strategy changes everything. It completely eliminates the guesswork. It acts as a filter, telling you what to say yes to, and more importantly, what to ignore. It gives you permission to not do everything. Instead of 100 scattered tasks, it narrows your focus to a handful of meaningful actions that actually move the needle. The transformation is profound. Before, scattered and reactive. After, focused and intentional. This clarity turns your valuable time into tangible progress. And that progress compounds when you stop resetting your priorities every week and start building on what you did the week before. When you know exactly what matters, the work feels lighter and more fulfilling. You make decisions faster and move forward with confidence, knowing each step is part of a larger plan. Now let's break strategy down into simple, actionable parts you can use today. We'll cover the 4 essential pillars: your audience, your offer, your content, and your growth system. The first pillar of a powerful solopreneur strategy is a crystal-clear audience. This isn't just about demographics, it's about deep psychographics. What do they truly want? What keeps them up at night? You don't need to appeal to everyone. In fact, you shouldn't. You need to find one specific type of person who is grappling with one main, urgent problem. For example, instead of targeting all small businesses, you might focus on new e-commerce stores struggling to get their first 100 sales. This level of clarity acts like a magnet, attracting the right clients who feel like you're speaking directly to them. Second, a simple, irresistible offer. Beginners often make the mistake of offering a buffet of services, thinking more options mean more customers. The opposite is true. A winning strategy focuses on one core offer that solves that one specific problem exceptionally well. Think of it as a signature dish, not an all-you-can-eat menu. Simple scales far better than complex ever will. Third, you need intentional content. Your content isn't just about chasing views or likes. Strategic content is designed to build trust, demonstrate your expertise, and gently lead people toward your simple offer. Every post, video, or email should serve a purpose. Your posts should be a pathway, guiding ideal clients from initial awareness to decisive action. And fourth, a repeatable growth system. Strategy is what connects your content to leads, and your leads to sales. It's the engine that turns your efforts into predictable revenue. This is exactly how successful solopreneurs build sustainable, profitable businesses instead of just staying busy. Let's put it all together. Say your audience is local fitness studios struggling to fill their classes. Your simple offer is a 6-week class fill system, a done-for-you service with a guaranteed outcome. Your intentional content would be case studies of past clients, quick video tips for studio owners, and celebrating local success stories. And your growth system could be: create a short, value-packed video, engage with interested viewers in the DMs, schedule a brief call, close the deal. Audience, offer, content, system. Notice how each piece supports the next. Keep it simple, focused, and executable. This is how you build real momentum. Simplicity doesn't just work, it wins. If you're just starting, remember this. Focus before you scale. Choose one platform. Build long-term assets. Create systems early. Adjust as you learn. You don't need perfection. You need direction. Reduce noise so you can get good at one channel. Let small systems do repeatable work for you. Keep improving one piece at a time. Let me leave you with this. A goal without a plan is just a wish. And this one is powerful. Success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out. Strategy turns effort into momentum. Progress doesn't come from doing more. It comes from doing the right things consistently. With strategy, you gain confidence. You measure real progress. You build a business that grows with you. If you're starting a marketing business alone, don't skip strategy. It's the foundation everything else stands on. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe to Online Biz Breakthrough. Check the description for resources to help you build your business the smart way. You've got this.